All right, old car. So one of the other things that's been bugging me here is this. So I'm going to see if I can life hack it with some dye that's not meant for it. All right, so inside the car door here, we have this trim. It's like a weather seal, but it is just this fuzzy felt. Feels like a velour, and it's hard. Now, it's actually fallen away right here, just a little bit. I guess it's actually like a fabric trim, so I guess I got to push that. So, just like that. But what I don't like about it is that in some places here, it is definitely not black. In fact, it's almost like blue or white in some places because it is so sun faded. Now, if you go down here towards the bottom, it might be hard because the light is reflecting off, but this is much more black. That is like a dark, deep black. You can just see if we go up here, all of a sudden, where it's been sitting out in the sun, starts to change. Now, this is not the weather stripping here that is rubber that we will also need to condition, but it is just this kind of, I think it's meant for sealing out some sound, but maybe it'll look a little better too. But what I want to do is make this look black. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use this. This is Kiwi military shine polish. Nothing about this is meant for the military. But what I like about this is I've used it on shoes, and it has this little foam applicator at the top here. And so you just pump it a little and a little black shoe polish comes out. But I'm curious if this will work like a life hack to help me add a little black here and make it look a little bit more like it is supposed to look without ruining that little velour type of fabric. I'll tell you what, this is having a lot of effect right away. Actually, that looks great and looks pretty natural. And if I go down here, you can see where I stopped. That looks like that blue-green. So black to that ashy white. So that's actually a result already. So I'm going to go ahead and use this on the rest of this, but that is a really simple way to do it and just soaks in and diffuses on its own. But man, that is great. You can see where it's really white. We've got the strip right down there, and I bet just tap it like that. Oh, got a little on the paint. I'm going to grab a wet paper towel and just make sure that I don't get it on anything. But man, that was pretty easy. Not sure how long that'll last or if it'll fade eventually, but what I like about this is even when I touch my shoes after I use it, it doesn't seem to come off. So I think this is going to be fairly permanent and it's not going to rub off if I end up touching anything with it. So cool. Right. Quick, easy fix on the little velvet-like trim there. So if you want to try it on your old car, you can do that too. All right, on to the next thing.